Hey everyone, today's video is about VAT setup. For VAT calculation on the purchase order, so we need to do some setup. We need to create sales tax authorities, sales tax settlement periods, ledger posting groups, sales tax codes, sales tax groups, and item sales tax groups. Then we need to create the vendor and assign the sales tax groups on vendor master. So we will create first sales tax authorities. Go to the tax model, indirect taxes, then sales tax, then click sales tax authorities. Click new. Give the authority name. It is a text field. You can give any kind of name here. I am giving VAT authority. In the name field, we can give complete description. Under general tab, we need to assign the vendor account here. So we have to create the one vendor. Then we have to assign. Okay. So we have to create the new vendor. Then we have to assign here. So already Dell INC vendor is created. I'm creating a new one. The new vendor is tax vendor. So I'm creating a new group one also. So local group is already created. So I'm giving another name here. Tax group. Same tax group assigning to the vendor group. Then click on save and go back. Then assign the same vendor here. Tax vendor. Then save it. So first one is completed, sales tax authorities, then is sales tax settlement periods. So without settlement period, so we can't pause the transactions. Again, go to the tax models under indirect taxes, then sales tax settlement periods. Click new. So we have to give the name here under settlement period field. Just I'm giving a shortcut here. Settlement period and description, we can give the complete description here. Select authority which is created earlier on. So I selected VAT authority. Here is a period internal unities. We have to select the month, right? So we have the 12 periods, right? April to March or Jan to December. So we have to give the one here. Period interval duration is monthly, right? So we have to give the one. Here is 1 month is equal to 1 period here. So select January 1st, 2025. And 31st January is this is the first period. In the same way, we have to create the new period February, March up to December. So in the period intervals, click the new period intervals. So it will create the automatic periods. June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That's 12 periods is created. Then click on save. So set sales tax settlement periods is created. Then is ledger posting groups. Go to the sales tax. Go to the setup. Under sales tax, click on ledger posting groups. So click new. I have to give the name here ledger posting groups. Just I am giving shortcut here LPG. So under general tab, we have to assign the main account for sales tax payables, sales tax receivables, use tax expenses, use tax prayer settlement account. Here is I am giving the mandatory fields. Okay, and just I am updating main account for mandatory fields like sales tax payable, receivable, settlements. So based on the requirement, we need to set up these main accounts. But every main account should be under posting type sales tax only. Otherwise, sales tax will not calculate. Just I'm checking the sales tax payable main account is created or not. Just testing purpose, just I'm assigning the main accounts here. Posting tab should be the sales tax. So earlier it assigned as a India VAT. So I'm changing to sales tax and click save. So this account also posting type is not assigned. So I'm selecting the sales tax. Posting type should be sales tax. Then settlement account. So the main account is assigned here for sales tax, payables, receivables, and settlement account. Then click save. Then go back. Then next step is sales tax codes. I can go to the tax module and taxes, sales tax, then sales tax code. Click new. Just give the sales tax code name. Just I'm giving VAT 5%. Select settlement periods. Then ledger posting groups. The next one is sales tax groups. Click on sales tax groups. Click new. Give the sales tax group name. Click here under setup. Select the sales tax code which is created earlier. So here is percentage showing 0. It should be show the percentage. We will check later. The percentage not displaying here. We have to check. So we need to create item sales tax group. Click new. Give the item sales tax group name. Reporting type, we can select either item or service. If we want a particular, otherwise we can leave it blank, it will calculate accurately. Click add under setup. Click sales tax code. Here also percentage not showing. Okay, we will check this. So under sales tax code, click values here. In the values, we have to assign the percentage, right? So we did not give any percentage. That's the reason showing 0. So we can select the year from Jan to December. So we can post the transactions up from Jan to December. If we leave blank, so we can post the transactions after December also. Just I'm giving the blank from date and to date field. Here is I'm giving the percentage is 5%. Here one more column is non-deductible. So if you want don't pay to the particular tax amount, for example, if you want to give some percentage non-deductible field, so it will not pay to the government. Suppose we are giving the 1 lakh, so we want to give the non-deductible percentage 20, right? So 20,000 is not required to pay the government, so 80% we have to pay the government. Here is sales tax groups. We have to check whether it is percentage showing or not, right? Here is now showing percentage 5%. So tax group, we have to assign in the vendor master. Go to the invoice and delivery tab. So sales tax group, assign the sales tax group. Then click save. Then go to the product information management. Then go to the released products. Select the item sales tax group here. So without item sales group on item master, it will not calculate the sales tax on transaction level. So now I'm trying to post on a credit purchase order. I'm selecting the item here. Quantity is 1 and price updating. Yes, I'm taking quantity 10. Unit price is 500. So net amount is 5000. We need to check line details also. Go to the setup. So here is item sales tax group and items sales tax group and sales tax group both are assigned. Then check on header level. So sales tax group is also assigned on header level. Click on save, then confirm the purchase order. The PO is confirmed. So under purchase tab, click sales tax. You can check the sales tax amount. So quantity 10, amount is 5000 and percentage is tax percentage 5000. Tax amount is 250. So tax is calculating. So taxable is 5000 and 5% on 5000 rupees 250. So 250 is calculated accurately. So this is a way to set up